Electric Facial Cleansing Brush Face Washing USB Vibration Skin Blackhead Removal Pore Cleanser. Small, portable and fashion, easy to use, easy to carry. Suitable for all of your facial deep cleaning pore. Silicone sonic vibration, no irritating, for all skin types. No brush heads replacement required, easy to clean, health and safety. Electric Massage Facial Cleaning Brush. Deeply clean, effectively remove makeup residue. USB charging, no need change battery. Waterproof, can use in bathroom. Restore skin shiny and flexibility. Facial Cleansing Brush Sonic Vibration Mini Face Cleaner Silicone Deep Pore Cleaning Electric Waterproof Massage. Small, portable and fashion, easy to use, easy to carry. Effective deep cleaning is 10 times better than those normal cleaning methods. Silicone brush head is antibacterial, no need to replace the brush head. Variety of vibration modes, it is suitable for different types of skin. Mini Electric Facial Cleaning Massage Brush Silicone Face Cleanser Dirt Remove. Use of food-grade silicone security without stimulation, for any skin. Whole body washed, no possession of any bacteria. Double Sonic Pulse Electric Cleansing Technology. Waterproof design, body and power completely separated. Deep Cleaning Face Electric Face Cleanser Remove Makeup Residue Dry and Wet Face Cleaning Brush. Small, portable and fashion, easy to use, easy to carry. Deeply clean, effectively remove makeup residue. USB charging, no need change battery. Soft skin care head than the ordinary silicone cleanser. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here.